There are thousands of parts in an Airbus helicopter. Every single one has to be perfect. Because if just one component has a 1 in a million flaw, the assembly line grinds to a halt. Safety and performance, these aren't just buzzwords. They're critical to the operations and the business, especially when first responders and law enforcement rely on these helicopters to do their jobs.
Back in 2022, when I joined the company, there was no AI platform on-prem to put AI at scale.
This is Regis. He is the AI Innovation Manager at Airbus Helicopters. He discovered teams didn't know where to go to put AI into production, so he decided to figure out a solution. In the past, when those teams tried to use a container platform, it wasn't powerful enough to support AI at scale. There was so much complexity to navigate.
We have lots of documents, lots of articles, lots of drawings that are siloed in several repositories. And it's very hard for the people in our team to extract because they have to search many different access points.
It sounds complicated.
I wanted to go for something new, something end-to-end from innovation to production, where on this platform you could merge both developer, data scientist, MLOps, and ops guy.
Airbus Helicopters decided to extend their existing Red Hat OpenShift cluster to have dedicated machines for AI, so AI innovation could happen at scale. They could now deliver AI MVPs into production within just 3 months.
Yeah, anomaly detection, absolutely. One of the big success and one of the projects that we put in production last year. Here we are talking with quality, and the goal is to identify similarities between defects in order to relate that to root causes, in order to cut these root causes. And last year, this has generated about €1 million savings.
Think about that. 1 million in savings from just one AI project. For Airbus, Red Hat OpenShift AI provides a scalable and secure on-prem foundation for AI workloads, crucial for handling sensitive data and powering compute-intensive tasks with GPUs.
I think that if you have sensitive data, Red Hat OpenShift AI is a no-brainer because you have to run on-prem, and I don't see any other solution.
With Red Hat, Airbus Helicopters didn't just streamline a process. They transformed their innovation engine. They empowered their teams, accelerated development, and hardened their entire production line. And that means first responders and law enforcement are better equipped to save lives and protect communities. Ready to build your own AI launchpad? Click the link and let's get started.